Nothing wrong with being that lone rider, but where do you begin? What to start?
Well, you hit it on the head. Figure out what type of riding you want to do.
Correct.
Because, you don't want to go buy something like you ride if you're thinking about doing off-road, on-road,
right?
Adventure riding.
Adventure bikes.
Yeah, that motorcycle's not going to fit.
No.
Or, you know what I mean?
Right.
So think about what type of riding you want to do. Do you want to just cruise? Do you want to do long trips? Or are you just wanting to get into it, rip around town? Just
right.
You're a beginner rider. So.
Yeah. Do you think you want to be like a sport bike rider?